never model again. If you're a paintless dent repair technician, surely you've done this before, but learn how to never do it again. What is modeling? Modeling is essentially when we are using the wrong tool or too hard of a push, wrong material. There's a lot of factors that contribute to modeling, and you could think you could have like this amazing repair going on, and then you finish it up. What you think is finished, you pull it outside, and you see in the sun that the metallic is actually shifted in the base coat, and that's a big no-no in our industry. We want to prevent that from happening, and we want to keep these repairs as clean and efficient as possible. So how do we do that? We don't start off with really sharp tools like this, something really deep like that. We're typically trying to use a tool that has a wider surface area or bigger surface area. That's the whole concept behind the Stanliner tools, is that these tools are typically designed to move a lot of metal, keeping things very clean, and just move metal a lot faster as well. So fast that it took about 45 real-time seconds to get this dent up. That's not to finish it, but enough to get it to a general flat shape, to where we can go in with a normal whale tail and finish it off. So in this video we cover pretty much all facets of like deep repairs, repairs towards edges, the types of tool tips that we use, the benefits of each of them, and just different techniques that are going to help you understand and repair these to a flawless outcome, so you never have to worry about doing any kind of metallic flopping or modeling. So this video training module that we did just upload is real world. These are real repairs done in real scenarios for real customers, and we basically have to deliver an extremely high quality finish. So you get to be there with us while we are filming these types of repairs from a point of view perspective for the most part on this one. This is a real repair that we walk through start to finish, and we really slow the process down. So this particular video is broken down into 5 value pack lessons. It shows exactly how to maintain a clean and uniform paint appearance with zero modeling on each one of these repairs. So whether you're dealing with stretched metal, tricky panel edges, or deep damage, this particular module gives you a clear roadmap to professional distortion-free finishes on metallic paint. We're all looking for that OEM factory finish in our paintless dent repair journey. This video is going to help you get there. Thanks for watching.